There are two new billionaires in Germany, thanks to the initial public offering of one of Europe's most valuable startups, online car marketplace Auto1. The Berlin-based startup went public on Thursday, February 4, raising $1.8 billion to fund its Carvana-style online used car supermarket, giving the company a market capitalization of $10.5 billion. For founders Håkan Koch and Christian Bertermann, the IPO was a major win. They each own around 12% of the company, which sold 600,000 cars in 2019 via online auctions to dealers, and direct to car buyers via its Autohero brand, making Koch and Bertermann worth an estimated $1.3 billion apiece, based on Monday's closing price. The listing also created a major windfall for Auto1’s investors who pumped $2 billion into the startup since it was founded in 2012, according to PitchBook. Japanese billionaire Masayoshi Son's SoftBank Vision Fund, the largest investor in Auto1 before the IPO, is now the largest shareholder in the business, which is famous for shipping cars to buyers in glass-fronted trucks. SoftBank's nearly 17% stake is worth $1.8 billion as of Monday's closing price. Koch and Bertermann, alumni of successful startups Rocket Internet and Groupon, respectively, created what would become Auto1 in 2012. By 2020, they had grown the business to become Germany's most valuable startup, according to consultancy GP Bullhound. They first launched the business as Verkaufen dein Auto.de, We Buy Your Car, in Germany, after Bertmann struggled to sell two old cars owned by his grandmother, according to the FT. Since then, Auto1 has bought and sold to dealers more than 2 million used cars in 30 European countries using online auctions and algorithms to price its vehicles. In addition to selling cars to dealers, Auto1 launched a brand, called Autohero, to sell cars direct to customers in 2017. The business will invest $495 million €410 million of the IPO proceeds in a marketing campaign to promote the Autohero brand, and the idea of buying an used car unseen. Currently just 1% of car sales in Europe are done online, according to Auto1's prospectus. The plan sets the stage for a potential clash between Bertermann, who leads Auto1. Koch stepped back from his role as co-CEO in November 2020 to take up a role on the company's supervisory board, and his car dealership customers. The company claims it can grow Autohero by focusing on new model vehicles in good condition while selling older, cheaper models to its dealer network. Auto1 generated $4.1 billion €3.4 billion in sales in 2019, but has yet to turn a profit and faces tough competition at home from car listing websites like Mobile.de and Autoscout24. Investors, however, seem to be sold on Koch and Bertermann's vision for an online car buying experience, with Auto1's stock popping to €55 per share after Thursday's listing, before falling to €50.24 on Tuesday, still 32% above the IPO price. Auto1 declined to comment on the net worth of its founders.